In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage attendance in Odoo HR. We're going to walk through the key attendance settings in Odoo HR so you can make employee time tracking more accurate, more efficient, and much easier to manage. This is especially useful if your team needs a reliable way to check in and out, track overtime, and review attendance data in one place. To begin, go to Attendances, then open Configuration and select Settings. This is where the main attendance options are controlled, and it's the best place to configure how your organization wants attendance to work. Taking a moment to review these settings can help prevent errors later and make the system more convenient for both managers and employees. Once you're in the settings area, turn on kiosk mode if you plan to use a shared device for employee check-ins. Kiosk mode is ideal for a tablet or computer placed at an office entrance, front desk, warehouse station, or any shared workspace. It allows multiple employees to check in and out from the same device without needing to open individual accounts. This helps streamline daily attendance and creates a faster, simpler check-in process for teams working on site. Next, enable extra hours so Odoo can track overtime automatically. This setting is helpful if you want visibility into the time employees work beyond their expected schedule. By turning this on, you can better monitor attendance patterns and identify additional hours without needing to calculate them manually. It's a practical option for businesses that want clearer time records and improved reporting. After that, set automatic checkout for employees who forget to log out at the end of the day. This can save a lot of cleanup work later. Without it, missed checkouts can lead to inaccurate attendance records and overstated working time. Automatic checkout helps close those attendance sessions automatically based on the rules you define, keeping your data cleaner and more consistent. When your settings are in place, go to Attendances and then Reporting to monitor employee time. This reporting section gives you a broader view of attendance activity and helps you review working hours more effectively. It's the area to use when you want to monitor trends, verify records, and keep track of overall attendance performance across your team. That's the basic setup for managing attendance in Odoo HR. With kiosk mode, extra hours, automatic checkout, and the reporting section all configured properly, you'll have a much smoother attendance process and more dependable time data to work with.